I'd sacrifice anything, come what might, for the sake of having you near, in spite of the warning voice that comes in the night and repeats in my ear. Don't you know, little fool, you never can win. Use your mentality, wake up to reality. But each time I do, just the thought of you makes me stop before I begin, 'cause I've got you under my skin. I've got you under my skin. I've got you deep in the heart of me, so deep in my heart, you are really a part of me. I've got you under my skin. I tried so not to give in. I said to myself, this affair never will go so well. But why should I try resist when, darling, I know so well I've got you under my skin. I sacrifice anything, come what might, for the sake of having you near, in spite of the warning voice that comes in the night and repeats in my ear. Don't you know, little fool, you never can win. Use your mentality, wake up to reality. But each time I do, just the thought of you makes me stop before I begin, 'cause I've got you under my skin. I sacrifice anything, come what might, for the sake of having you near, in spite of the warning voice that comes in the night and repeats in my ear. Don't you know, little fool, you never can win. Use your mentality, wake up to reality. But each time I do, just the thought of you makes me stop before I begin, 'cause I've got you. Oh, I've got you, 'cause I've got you under my skin. I've got you under my skin. I've got you cigarette, the beers, a lipstick traces, an airline ticket to romantic places, and still my heart has wings. These foolish things remind me of you. A tinkling piano in the next apartment, those stumbling words that told you what my heart meant. A pilgrim paid its wings. These foolish things remind me of you. You came, you saw, you conquered me. When you did that to me, I knew somehow this had to be the winds of March that make my heart a dancer, a telephone that rings, but who's to answer? Or how the ghost of you clings. These foolish things remind me of you. The winds of March that make my heart a dancer, a telephone that rings, but who's to answer? Or how the ghost of you clings. These foolish things remind me of you. When I wake up each morning trying to find myself, and if I'm ever the least unsure, I always win by myself. Though you're someone in this world that I always choose to love, from now on, you're only someone that I used to love. As for me, it's getting down to the last unspoken part, when you must begin to ease the pain of a broken heart. Tell me, why should I even care if I have to lose your love? From now on, you're only someone that I used to love. I wish it was enough for you, all the love I had to give. I did my best to keep you satisfied. I guess you'll never know how much I tried. I really tried. And if ever a path should cross again, well, you won't find me being the one to get lost again. Once I had so much to give, but you just refused my love. From now on, you're only someone that I used to love. I did my best to keep you satisfied. I guess you'll never know how much I tried. I really tried. When I wake up each morning trying to find myself, and if I'm ever the least unsure, I always win by myself. Though you're someone in this world that I always choose to love, from now on, you're only someone that I used to love. From now on, you're only someone that I used to love. Though you're someone in this world that I always choose to love, from now on, you're only someone that I used to love. Ooh, from now on, you're only someone that I used to